may monkey.
So much cherries, yellow cherries. In the video, and then I'm gonna show Tati Marisa. Ala, ang dami, te. Ang dami. Namumungingi.
She makes videos.
Okay, tayo.
Dali.
Cherries in them.
Ah, pwede pala. Nakikita kita kasi ni inano ko, zoom ko.
Matamis yung malalaki na, no? Ito, ang dami, oh. Kaso nga lang, natatakot akong hilain. Baka mahulog ako.
Baka maano yung ano. Ay, mawa ka. Te, ano ba yan? Magbi-birthday pa si Dominic. Magbi-birthday pa si Dominic.
Huwag naman sana, oy.
Ano ba yan?
Malaki, oh.
Buwis buhay naman yung ginagawa mo.
Saan lang ito, Jen?
Ha?
Baka next year wala nang bunga.
What? Brent? Find Tati Marisa.
Ay, yan. Masakit na yun. Masakit na yung ano ko.
Dito ka na manguha sa baba.
She can climb anything.
Te, dito ka na manguha sa baba.
Itong lalaki,
Ang nipis ng ano, ng branch na ano mo. Ang nipis.
Hi.
Hi! Ito, oh. Ah, baka ano. Ayoko siyang
Putulin mo na lang yung buo.
maputol, Jen. Kasi magbubunga pa yan next year.
Make a paint the floor there again or put the couch right away.
Papa said, ay, you got the couch? By yourself? With who?
I removed the stuff by myself. I also.
Good job.
You were only complaining.
Just leave it outside. I'll put the couch by myself.
No, Papa's gonna help me with the couch, of course.
Talaga lang.
Yeah, but no. The question was, am I gonna paint the floor again, or
No need
or
for
put
now.
the couch right
Yeah,
away?
put the couch. No need for now. No need the repainting. Tell Papa I said, okay?